Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to attach AirTag to a key or to keys. So if you have bunch of keys like this, and now you want to connect your Apple AirTag to all of these keys. Now this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, knowing fully that you cannot just attach this Apple AirTag to your key like this, then there must be an aiding equipment or aiding object that will let you attach your AirTag to your key. And in my own case, I got the AirTag bag. So if you have an AirTag bag as small as this, you can easily insert the AirTag into the bag and then go ahead and connect the bag to your keys. Then let's go ahead and do this. If you have an AirTag bag like this, then unclip it. Once unclip it, let where the Apple logo is appearing fix outside on the AirTag bag like this. And you want to properly position the Apple logo to face up nicely. So once you have the AirTag in the bag like this, go ahead and lock it. So this lock is reliable and I've been using this for going to a year plus now. So I've not had the reason to complain about the Apple AirTag bag. Then once you have the Apple AirTag in the bag, now go grab all your keys like this and then have them like this, and all other keys like this. So you see that? Now you now have your Apple AirTag attached to all your keys. So this is better compared to when you use something gigantic to connect or hook up your case and your Apple AirTag. So that is basically how to connect or attach Apple AirTag to case. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.